Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a list of 50 super healthy foods that not only taste amazing but also pack a punch in terms of nutrition. From fruits and veggies to nuts, seeds, and lean proteins, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started. First up, we have fruits and berries. These are nature's candy, sweet, nutritious, and ready to eat without much prep. Apples. Full of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, apples are a filling snack that can curb your hunger between meals. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, avocados are perfect for spreading on toast or adding to salads. Bananas. A great source of potassium and vitamin B6, bananas are convenient and portable, making them an excellent on-the-go snack. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, blueberries are both delicious and beneficial for your health. Oranges. Known for their high vitamin C content, oranges also provide fiber and antioxidants, making them a refreshing snack. Strawberries. Low in calories but high in vitamin C, fiber, and manganese, strawberries are a tasty addition to any dessert. Other healthy fruits: cherries, grapes, grapefruit, kiwi, lemons, mangoes, melons, olives, peaches, pears, pineapples, plums, raspberries. Next, let's talk about protein-packed foods that are essential for muscle growth and repair. Eggs. Once misunderstood, eggs are now recognized for their high protein content and various health benefits. Lean beef. In moderation, lean beef is an excellent source of protein and highly bioavailable iron. Chicken breasts. Low in fat but high in protein, chicken breasts are a staple in many healthy diets. Lamb and mutton. Grass-fed lamb is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making it a healthier red meat option. Next, let's talk about nuts and seeds that are not only tasty but also packed with unsaturated fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Almonds. These popular nuts are loaded with vitamin E, antioxidants, and magnesium, supporting weight loss and brain health. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, providing fiber, magnesium, and calcium. Coconuts. Rich in fiber and MCTs, coconuts are versatile and nutritious. Macadamia nuts. Higher in monounsaturated fats, macadamia nuts are both tasty and nutritious. Walnuts. Walnuts are full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great addition to salads. Brazil nuts. These buttery nuts are an excellent source of selenium and support thyroid function. Vegetables are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat, offering a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Asparagus. Low in calories and carbs, asparagus is a great source of vitamin K. Bell peppers, available in various colors. Bell peppers are sweet, crunchy, and packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and contains more protein than most other vegetables. Carrots. Crunchy and sweet, carrots are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A. Cauliflower. Versatile and nutritious, cauliflower can be used in a variety of dishes, from curries to salads. Cucumber. Refreshing and low in calories, cucumbers are mostly water but also contain vitamin K. Garlic. Known for its strong flavor, garlic has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Kale. This leafy green is high in fiber and vitamin C and K, adding a crunch to salads and stir-fries. Onions. Onions add flavor to many dishes and contain compounds with potential health benefits. Tomatoes. Technically a fruit, tomatoes are rich in potassium and vitamin C, more healthy vegetables. Artichokes, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, celery, eggplant, leeks, lettuce, mushrooms, radishes, squash, Swiss chard, collard greens, turnips, zucchini. Fish and seafood are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids and other essential nutrients. Salmon. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3s, making it great for heart and brain health. Sardines. These small, oily fish are packed with calcium and vitamin D. Shellfish. Clams, mollusks, and oysters are nutrient-dense and delicious. Shrimp. Low in fat and high in protein, shrimp also provide selenium and vitamin B12. Trout. Similar to salmon, trout is a tasty freshwater fish high in nutrients. Tuna. High in protein and low in fat, tuna is perfect for those looking to increase protein intake. Whole grains and breads are important for providing energy and essential nutrients. Brown rice. More nutritious than white rice, brown rice is high in fiber and magnesium. Oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucans, which help lower cholesterol and support gut health. Quinoa, this tasty grain is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Ezekiel bread. Made from organic sprouted whole grains and legumes, Ezekiel bread is a nutritious choice. Homemade low-carb and gluten-free breads. Making your own bread lets you control the ingredients. Try low-carb or gluten-free recipes for a healthier option. Legumes are a fantastic plant-based source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Green beans. Use them whole as a side dish or add them to salads. Kidney beans. Rich in fiber and vitamins, but make sure to cook them properly as they can be toxic when raw. Lentils. High in fiber and plant-based protein, lentils are a staple in many diets. Peanuts. Technically a legume, peanuts are high in nutrients and antioxidants. Healthy fats are essential for your body, supporting cell function and providing energy. Extra virgin olive oil. High in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Coconut oil. Rich in MCTs, coconut oil supports brain health and provides a quick energy source. It also has antimicrobial properties. Tubers are a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. Potatoes. High in potassium and vitamin C, potatoes are versatile and nutritious. Choose to bake or boil them for a healthier option. They support heart health and provide energy. Sweet potatoes. High in fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes are a nutritious and sweet option. They support eye health and boost the immune system. Finally, let's look at some unique healthy foods you might not think of. Apple cider vinegar. Used for centuries for its health benefits, including blood sugar control and weight loss. It also supports digestive health and boosts the immune system. Dark chocolate. Opt for 70% cocoa or higher to enjoy antioxidants and healthy fats in moderation. It supports heart health and provides a delicious treat. And there you have it, 50 super healthy foods to include in your diet. Remember, balance is key, and incorporating a variety of these foods will help you maintain a nutritious and delicious diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.